things, y'all.
I do like simple things.
Take her on a dirty ferry.
Alright, so today is
a great day.
It is a great day. It's a very interesting day, actually.
No, it's not. It's a great Nate the Great day.
Oh, no, you're Nate the Great. So today's actually my grandmother's funeral
Oh, no.
in New York. So, you know, we're just grabbing some gas right now. How do you feel about today? I don't know how to feel about this whole funeral situation. It's weird.
I don't know either. Because I can't say that without time.
But yeah, this is probably my third time going to a funeral.
Yeah, I've been to, I'd say 3. Funerals are always weird.
Yeah.
What's up? You want to come get Tico?
He's
Tico.
talking to you.
Yeah.
Never really know what to do, what to say.
Take your arm out. If you close the window, you can break your arm.
Nathan knows all the gems. Yeah, what were you saying?
No, I was just saying, it's tough. You never really know what to say. You don't know
How to react.
Yeah. Especially if you're there, like, supporting someone.
Yeah.
You know?
I guess what's weird about this one is I was not like extremely close with my grandmother, but I knew her. Like, I spent time with her. So I guess the weird part about it is that my whole family, we were kind of like preparing ourselves in a sense, it seems like. Even though we weren't sure if, you know, she was going to pass away.
Hoping for the best, but
yeah, we were hoping for the
ready
best.
for the worst.
In a sense. And then with my dad, it's his mom. I think he already came to terms that it was going to happen. So, it's weird. He's like the anchor of the family right now. He's the one who's kind of
setting the tone, you know?
Yeah.
Since day one, when you guys found out, when we all found out, he was kind of setting the tone. You know, he was the one saying, no tears, she's a warrior, she was, you know. So that kind of set the tone for how everyone else, thank you, should react to the news.
Yeah.
And I think today he's going to also set the tone. Just, you know, he's just, to your point, he's like the anchor.
Yeah. Yeah, my dad is pretty strong, especially when it comes to his emotions, and he is a crier, but he's not gonna like cry in front of you. He's more of the I feel like I have somewhat of his personality where like things are sad, so you try to make it happy, like fun type of thing.
Oh, I know it's fine.
No,
so,
you're definitely a crier though.
I know I'm a crier.
Like in a second, like in a
Yeah.
heartbeat.
I think it has gotten worse after I gave birth to him.
Yeah. Yeah, me too. I mean, I was never a crier before Nate. Now every little thing gets me emotional.
Yeah.
Every sad scene in a movie, every father-son moment, every little thing brings a tear to my eye.
Yeah. So I know for sure that once we're there, I'm gonna cry. Like, it's a given.
Yeah, for
yeah.
Sure. And then that's, sorry to jump in, but that's what I mean by like someone who's there to support someone. Like, I don't really know what
it
to
feels.
do.
Yeah.
Because when it's just you and I, then I know that it's you and I. But when it's you and your family, do I give you guys space? If it's you and your mom crying, do I just let you guys have that moment? And then when you get up to go view, do I go up with you? Or do I just, like, should I just be there? Or should I try to be involved? Like, I don't know what to do.
Yeah. I think those are valid questions. But to answer some of them, if I am going up there,
I should stay, right?
you should go with me.
I knew you were gonna say that. I don't want to go.
I know. When my uncle passed away, and I saw the body. I think that was my first time seeing an actual dead body. So when I saw the body in person, it just looked weird because it just really just looked like he was sleeping, because they did a really good job with him.
Yeah, the makeup and all that stuff.
Makeup, you know, and I was asking so many weird questions like, how's his mouth closed? And they were telling me that they had to sew it from the nose. They were just explaining a whole lot of stuff, but I was just weirded out and on top of that, I was in denial. Because I'm just looking at him like he just looks like he's sleeping.
Do you want to go up there?
I do, because I feel like I need to get
Closure?
that kind of closure, and I feel like I think we're of the age where this is going to keep happening. You know what I'm saying? So like, this is my third death in my family, I would say. So I think it's something that I don't know how to
Daddy,
feel.
you're going the wrong way to Grandma's house.
We're getting something to eat.
Oh, because of the GPS, it's telling you you're going the right way.
Nathan he don't know what's going on. He's actually going to be dropped off by my husband's family, grandparents, my husband's mom and dad.
My mom's house. There it is.
Yeah, my in-laws.
Yep.
Number one, because we're kind of terrified about the whole COVID situation. Not to say like
in the heart of it, New York City.
Yeah, New York City. So it's like we prefer him to be there. And then even with my cousin Cleon, she's not bringing them to the funeral.
Yeah,
her kids.
Even if it wasn't COVID, I still wouldn't bring him to a funeral.
Yeah,
like he's just gonna see a
young.
bunch of people crying and you're gonna ask why. Like it doesn't make sense to bring him. It doesn't make sense for him to experience death
right now.
at 4 years old.
Too young, yeah.
Yeah, but technically, you know, if someone's infected over there and we get infected, we're bringing it right back.
Bringing it right back. Yeah, that
Daddy, I just saw a triangle sign that says yield. That means you gotta wait your turn. So
you can read, Nathan?
yes.
Nah, I don't think you can read.
Oh, don't talk back. I can't read.
You can?
Yes.
That's good. New York City. Ooh,
there's the White Stone Bridge.
The White Stone Bridge. I always get scared going on this thing, especially like when I used to go on the bus. We are trying to order drinks and we're struggling because we don't drink like that. Babe, what are you getting?
Pineapple with Syrah.
so excited. And I just came out of it. At all. That's okay. Here we are, guys, on the ferry. And we're gonna go attempt to see. Where is that, buddy? I can't even see.
Simple things, y'all.
I do like simple things.
Take her around the Dirty Ferry.
The sun is beaming bright as hell. You have to touch the screen. Let's see if we can get a selfie.
You don't need me in there. This is black. You can't see a damn
That's
thing.
okay.
To tell them what's right and wrong. You won't let a 14-year-old shoot up heroin in their arm. You won't let a 14-year-old go rob a bank. You won't let a 14-year-old take your car and just drive down the freeway. Just what parents say, no, that's wrong. You can't do that. We're here as guidance. We're here as elders. So it's the same thing in make a decision on your sex life or what you want to become. Now, once you've grown and grown to be
Beautiful. Let me get on a bridge.